Hey there, everyone. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic that affects us all: workplace safety. The Ministry of Interior, or MOI, has just released some eye-opening evacuation guidelines for emergency situations, and I'm here to break it down for you. Imagine this: an emergency strikes at your workplace. What do you do? Well, the MOI has a clear plan. They are urging employees to be prepared and act fast. When that evacuation alert sounds, it's time to spring into action. No time to grab your favorite mug or finish that email, you've got to evacuate immediately. It's a race against potential danger. But here's the twist: preparation is key. Before any chaos unfolds, employees should know their workplace like the back of their hand. Know your emergency exits, those hidden evacuation routes, and where to gather outside. It's like a real-life escape room, but with higher stakes. And don't forget to keep those emergency corridors clear and obstacle-free. It's all about creating a smooth path to safety. Now, when the alert goes off, the MOI wants you to keep your cool. Stop work, take a breath, and follow the instructions. No panicking and rushing for the elevators, it stairs all the way. And if there's smoke, stay low and listen to the safety officers. They are the heroes of this story. What I find fascinating is the emphasis on helping others. Employees are encouraged to assist colleagues, especially the elderly and those with disabilities. It's a reminder that in times of crisis, we are all in this together. But what happens if you can't evacuate? Well, the MOI has that covered too. Find a safe spot, hunker down, and wait for instructions. It's all about adapting to the situation. The MOI has even provided a hotline for those who can't find shelter. It's like having a safety net in place. But here's the kicker: these guidelines are just the tip of the iceberg. They raise questions about overall workplace safety culture and emergency preparedness. Are we doing enough to ensure everyone knows what to do in a crisis? Food for thought, right? In my opinion, these guidelines are a wake-up call. They remind us that emergencies can happen anywhere, even at work. So, stay informed, be prepared, and keep an eye out for each other. That's the key to staying safe in unexpected situations. Remember, knowledge is power, and being ready can make all the difference.